जय जिजाऊ जय शिवराय. स्वागत आहे आपल्या सर्वांचे आपल्याच यूट्यूब चॅनलवरती. आणि ज्यांनी माझ्या यूट्यूब चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब केलेलं आहे त्यांचे आभार, आणि ज्यांनी सबस्क्राईब केलेलं नाही ते त्यांच्या वेळेनुसार केव्हा पण सबस्क्राईब करू शकतात. तसेच जर हा व्हिडिओ आपणास आवडला असेल तर आपण या व्हिडिओस लाईक करू शकता. अन्यथा आपणास आवडला नसेल तर आपण यास डिसलाईक करून खाली कॉमेंट करू शकता. चला तर मग सुरू करूया आजचा हा व्हिडिओ. Exercise 25. Thank you for the notice of the affair on Saturday the 6th. I shall be with you early, and if I may, I will carry you back to the city to lunch. Unless you have a desire to go to the Royal Hotel, I should like to take you to the usual cafe to lunch, because the meals always seem to be both dainty and cheap. I wish you were ready for the visit to Sicily. These lovely days make us long to be away. I think the change itself would be likely to make you enjoy the peace of the village life when you got back. Those of us who have had such a change of scene know this to be likely. I shall be ready to leave as soon as you, and it is for you to name the date. Exercise 26. If Miss Nelson wishes to see the works, she can come to this office on Tuesday or Wednesday of this week, and I shall be happy to show all the details she may desire to see. I think it is but fair to say this is the busy season with us, and I shall have but a few minutes to spare to Miss Nelson. My deputy can take charge of the lady. I will thank you if you will put the facts to the lady as nicely as you can, because she may think I am an idle fellow with much time at my disposal. I know you will excuse this appeal, and I hope you will do what I ask, as I should be sorry to upset Miss Nelson or to appear to be rude when she comes. Full stop. Exercise 29. I am assuming you will like to see the details of the sales of the new books on Siam, and I am asking the cashier to give you these up to this week. Full stop. If you would like to speak to me on the business, or if you have special reasons for supposing you can push the sales of the books at this time, I shall be happy to see you. Full stop. I have myself seen to the dispatch of all the review copies, and the head of the mailing room has himself seen to the dispatch of copies to buyers by mail. Full stop. The subject with which the books deal seems to be popular now, and I have had several visitors to the showroom each day since the issue of the volumes. Full stop. Exercise 30. For several special reasons, I should like you to come to see me on Wednesday as early as you can. Full stop. I especially desire you to write out the names of all the firms with which you have had business dealings since you came to us. Full stop. I shall discuss a new policy with you, and the names for which I ask may be of use. Full stop. I am a bit upset at the refusal of ask you and Benson to take those Eskimo rugs, and I should like to know the reasons for the refusal. full stop. I have several subjects besides these of which I wish to speak to you when I see you on Wednesday. Full stop. Ask to see me as soon as you arrive. Full stop.